Welcome to the video tutorial about how to generate 3D drawing of designed water network in Water Distribution Module of ESurvey Water. In Plan 3D tab, all the alignments are created in 3D and all the pipes are created as 3D polymesh. You can have a 3D view of the entire project. You can also export this 3D drawing and use it further for various purposes including BIM. Export 2D and 3D pipe length of each pipe to Excel. You can get reports of stakeout points, horizontal and vertical bends, valves, crossings, and reducers. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, you have learned how to generate 3D drawing of designed water network. In the next video, you will learn how to create and export plan and profile drawing.